Hey guys, today we're here in this incredible Carter Grange kitchen and we're making a lemon and blackberry cake with a vanilla and juniper frosting. We're baking this cake in the Miele oven, which achieves the perfect fluffy and moist consistency, which I know you're gonna love. Let's get into it. First up, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit. In a large mixing bowl, combine the olive oil, sugar, vanilla and lemon zest and whisk until well combined. Now add the eggs and whisk until combined and smooth. Fold in the flour, almond meal, baking powder, bicarb soda and sea salt. Gently stir through the yogurt and lemon juice. Now gently fold through the blackberries. Pour the mixture into a pre-lined 23 cm round spring-form cake tin. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. Now let's make the vanilla and juniper frosting. Beat the cream cheese until smooth. Add the vanilla and icing sugar and beat until super smooth. Add the ground juniper berries and beat until incorporated. To assemble, place the completely cooled cake onto a serving plate. Top with the frosting and smooth it out with the back of a spoon, creating large swooshes in the frosting. Top the cake with fresh blackberries, lemon zest and crushed juniper berries. So there you have it guys, my lemon and blackberry cake with vanilla and juniper frosting. It's a simple recipe with a beautiful result. I hope you enjoy.